Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off mono audio feature in Motorola Edge 15 UFO. Where to look for this option and how to disable it. First of all, we need to access our settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next we need to scroll down until we see audio adjustments option. And in here we have our mono audio. So, combine channels when playing audio. We want to turn it off. So, we can tap this switch here. It's a simple on-off switch. There are no other hidden options here, but we can adjust audio balance if we need to. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.